Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series on geometric sequence, no? And kung napanood nyo yung previous video ay nag-solve tayo ng problem, no? Dito magsosolve tayo ng another problem, pero different siya dun sa mga sinolve natin. Dun sa sample problem 1 at sample problem 2, no? So here we have to find the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence defined by these equations, no? So, ibig sabihin ng first 5 terms is kukunin natin yung t sub 1. We have to get t sub 1, we have to get t sub 2, and of course t sub 3, t sub 4, and t sub 5. No? So, t sub 1 meaning ang n natin ay 1, di ba? So, this is equal to negative 3. So, ibig sabihin nito, negative 3. Ang n natin ay 1. So, negative 3 raised to the first power divided by 2. So, ibig sabihin, negative 3 over 2. No? Next, we have t sub 2. We have negative 3. Ang n natin dito ay 2. We have negative 3 squared over 2. So, negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. And then over 2. Next, we have negative 3 cubed over 2. Ang negative 3 cubed is negative 3 squared times negative 3 lang, diba? So, ibig sabihin 9 times negative 3 lang. This is negative 27 over 2, no? Pwede na natin ito ilagay sa gitna siguro. Next, we have t sub 4, this is negative 3 to the 4th divided by 2, which is equal to negative 3 to the 4th is same as negative 3 cubed times negative 3, diba? So what is negative 27 over 2 times negative 3? That becomes 27 times negative 3 ay 81 kaso may negative 81 kaso may negative ka dito. So this becomes positive 81 over 2. Anyway, you have a negative number with an even exponent, so the answer must be positive. And lastly, we have negative 3 to the 5th over 2 is equal to, what is 81 times negative 3? Negative 243 over 2. Okay, so yan yung ating mga terms, meaning mga terms nito ay negative 3 over 2, we have 9 over 2, we have negative 27 over 2, we have negative 3, or we have 81 over 2, and we have negative 243. Negative 243 over 2. Okay, so yan yung mga terms natin. Yan yung first 5 terms. Next, we have, tignan natin yung 4 raised to the negative n. Pag ang n natin ay 1, meaning 4 raised to the 4 raised to the negative 1. Ano nangyayari pag nire-raise natin sa negative exponent yung isang number, di ba? Nagiging fraction siya. Kinukuha natin yung reciprocal, di ba? So this becomes 1 raised to the 1 over 4 raised to the first power, which is equal to 1/4, no? Next, we have 4 raised to the negative 2. This becomes 1 over 4 squared, no? Kinuha natin yung reciprocal para maging positive yung exponent niya. And 4 squared is 16, meaning this is 1 over 16. No? 4 raised to the negative 3 is equal to 1 over 4 cubed, which is equal to 1 over 64. No? 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. And dito, 1 So 4 to the negative 4 is 1 over 4 raised to the 4th, which is equal to 1 over, what is 64 times 4? 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 plus, and then we still multiply 64 by 4, that's 256, I think. Okay, 4 times 4 is 64. 4 times 4 is 16. Tapos 60 times 4 is 240. 240 plus 16 is 256. And last, we have 4 raised to the negative 5, which is 1 over 4 raised to the 5th power, which is equal to 1 over, ano ang 256 times 4? So, ang 250 times 4 is 1,000, di ba? 6 times 4 is 24. So, meaning 1 over 1,000. 24. Okay, so yan yung ating mga terms. We have 1/4, 1/4, 1/16, 1/64, 1/256, and 1/1024. Okay, so ito yung ating mga terms. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Ang susunod natin na video is another type of problem about geometric sequence. Maraming salamat. Punta kayo sa ating website, zip9.com. O kaya gusto nyo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And of course, huwag nyong kalimutang i-like yung ating Facebook page sa facebook.com/zip9ph. No? Yun yung ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.